You keep making the same mistakes. But it's not your fault. It feels like you're stuck in a loop, repeating patterns you desperately want to break. You try harder, you promise yourself things will change, yet the same outcomes reappear. This isn't a lack of willpower, it's something far more subtle at play. What if your decisions, the very choices you believe are your own, are actually being subtly influenced by forces you can't even perceive? The problem goes deeper than you think. The real reason is our minds are wired with hidden levers, cognitive biases. These aren't flaws, they're shortcuts our brains use, often without our awareness. One powerful example is the framing effect. It shows how the way information is presented dramatically alters our perception and choice, even if the underlying facts are identical. It's not about what is said, but how it's said. This subtle shift in presentation can completely change your emotional response and subsequent action. Imagine buying ground beef. One package says 90% fat-free. Another, identical package, says 10% fat. Which one would you instinctively choose? Most people pick 90% fat-free. The facts are the same, but the positive framing makes it seem healthier, more desirable. Your brain made a choice based on presentation, not raw data. So, how do you break free? The practical lesson is to practice reframing. When faced with a decision, consciously ask yourself, how else could this information be presented? Challenge the initial frame. Look for the opposite perspective. This simple act of conscious questioning empowers you to see beyond the surface and make truly informed choices. Understanding these hidden levers gives you immense power. If you found this insight valuable, consider subscribing to Great Insights Greater Life for more tools to master your mind. Unlock your potential by understanding the psychology that shapes your world. Your journey to greater clarity starts here.